Today we are doing an unboxing of Rihanna Fenty Skin Beauty products. This is the starter kit. It comes with the total cleanser, fat water, and the hydrovisor. Alright, this is the packaging. Comes with a pull tab, cardboard in there to give it some nice weight. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright. Up here. Put this to the side and we'll start with the Hydra Visor. 1 fluid ounce, travel size. It's a nice press for women to come out. Let's just get a look at how it looks on the skin. Alright. Oh, it's a nice cream. Okay. That's that floral Rihanna scent that everyone speaks about. I can smell it. It's a light fragrance, not too bad. I don't mind it at all. Right, this is the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Right, that is the opening there. Okay, it's not as thick as I thought it would be. It's very light. Also has the fragrance, but not nearly as bad as the previous item. And lastly, we have the Total Cleanser. Remove It All Cleanser. Oh, and this one, you just twist and it opens at the top there. It's nice. Alright, we get a very small amount. It's actually a lot. Oh, okay, so that's the consistency. Very much like hand soap. And this one smells really good. It's a different smell from the other two, but it does smell very good. So that is the 3 products that you will get for the $40 starter kit on Fenty Beauty. Shipping was about 3 days, and it did go over the holidays, so that's not bad. And these are the sizes.